Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the dual time mode on your SKMEI Model 1560 watch. So right now I'm in my main timekeeping mode. The way you know that is you can see the second indicator down here going off and you don't see any other indications on the watch face. That's your main timekeeping mode. To get to the dual time mode, we're going to simply press the bottom left button. Press it the first time, it's going to take you to what's called your date mode. We're looking at my date. It's February 13th and it's Thursday. Press it again, it'll take you to what's called your alarm mode, and then another time will take you to your DT or dual time mode. Basically, the way this watch works is you have a second time that you can reference. That's your dual time. There's no setting a city or anything like that. All it is figuring out where you want to track the time of, figuring out what time it is there, and then setting that time in the dual time mode. If you want to adjust it, I'm going to show you how to adjust it. The odd thing, or maybe the cool thing about this watch is this is the only watch I've ever seen that your dual time can be either 12 or 24 hour format, and your regular time can be in an opposite format. I'll show you that here in a second. So remember this, dual time mode, I'm in 24 hour format. If I press the mode button again, it takes me to my stopwatch mode. And another time will take me back to my main timekeeping mode. So main timekeeping mode is in 24-hour format. My dual time mode is in 24-hour format. Let's change it. How would we update our time or our display in dual time mode? While you're in this mode, you're going to press and hold the top right button for 2 seconds. You'll see a blinking indicator that lets you know that you are in the settings mode, again for the dual time mode, and we can adjust our hour value. To adjust your value, you're going to press the bottom left button. To move it up, there's no going down, so you can simply press and hold, or you can press it individually to move just a little at a time. So just for kick's sake, I'm going to set it to 11 p.m. or 2300. Once you're done with your hour indicator, you're going to press the top right button one time. That will take you to your minute indicator. And then again, you can use the bottom left button to adjust your minute accordingly. The one thing you cannot adjust is your seconds. Just like most watches, your second value will always match the second value of your main timekeeping mode, which makes sense because seconds are always going to be the same. Once you're done with your minutes, you're going to press the top right button one more time and it'll take you to your last setting, which is your time format. Again, this is the time format for your dual time. You have 24 hour. You want to change that, you can press the bottom left button. It's a simple toggle. Do you want it in 12 hour? Do you want it in 24 hour? So for kick's sake, let's set it to 12 hour. Once we're done, we're going to simply press the top right button and we've successfully changed or updated our dual time. So now my dual time is showing 11 p.m. Remember, it's no longer showing 24-hour format. I've got the p.m. indicator. So now this is my dual time. Let's go ahead and press the mode button a couple of times, get us back to our main timekeeping, and you can see that my main timekeeping mode is still in 24-hour format because we haven't done anything with our main timekeeping mode. So I hope that makes sense, gives you an idea of how the dual time works, shows you how to change it. If the video helps, thumbs up are always appreciated. That's a look at the dual time mode on the 1560 SKMEI watch.